'Tis the season for protective hairstyles, so I'm going to show you guys how I style these beautiful clip-ins from Curlsqueen. So I started off by watching my clip-ins from Curlsqueen. Yes, these clip-ins are from Curlsqueen. All information on this hair will be in the description box down below, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. Make sure that you guys are looking at their seals and everything, and yeah. So I am first going to start off by washing the hair because I feel like natural hair, even when you're wearing it as in clip-ins or extensions of any kind, natural hair should be taken care of the same way that it is on your head. So if you're going to wash that hair on your head, you should wash the hair that you're putting in your head. So I'm going to be washing my hair with the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner and kind of letting that sit so that curls can start popping. And once my makeup is on, my hair is going to be very, 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 very dry. Yeah, like Texas dry. Ayoop, jump scare. The front of my head is looser than the rest of my hair anyway, but it's okay. We're gonna get this figured out. I promise we are. Now in the back, I did have it cornrowed up. I did not want my hair to go ahead and be matted with me putting in the clip-ins, so I went ahead and made sure that the hair was braided in the back beforehand. But the front, I wanted to make it real natural looking, kind of like a sew-in, but like a sew-in that doesn't have to be a sew-in, you know what I mean? Because it's clip-ins. So I went ahead and made sure that the front was like just the front half, just in case I want to do any other styles, like half up, half down as well. So if you guys want to see a style like that, go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll go ahead and show you guys that style as well.
So bright, it feels right when it's wrong.
And honestly, they get me exactly where I need to be. So I love that the hair texture of these Curlsqueen. So I love that this curl texture matches like the exact curl pattern in the front of my head. So it worked out literally so beautifully. So after I go ahead and put all these clip-ins in, it is time to go ahead and define my curls. I'm going to be defining my curls using Pattern Beauty's leave-in conditioner and curl cream.
I don't need no Smith and Wesson, no. What were you testing? Focus can't on here's your lesson, no. Life ain't a testing. Taking shots at all your grip, no.
Make sure to check out Curlsqueen and get your clip-ins so that you can be styling like me.